morning. Today is December the 5th, and as you guys can tell, I'm super excited. I've been a little sick, so I haven't been vlogging anything, and honestly nothing exciting has been happening. But today something exciting is happening because my kitchen remodeling is going to start today. I'm so excited. The guys are here. So basically the countertop, the island is going to be demolished today. I think they're gonna have somebody to come take measurement for the new fabrication that I want, because you guys remember I told you I wanted waterfall island, so I'm gonna get that, and it's going to be marble. I had 2 people that came and gave me a quote, and I supposed to have some other person coming like next freaking year, and I'm like, okay, well, I can't wait for that. But I found this contracting company. That's Gail right there, so he's like contractor. This whole thing right here is going to be gone, but we're actually keeping the bottom, and backsplash is going to be gone because I don't know what's going on with this backsplash. It's like baby blue, and I personally do not like it. So that's gonna be gone, and all my cabinets are going to be removed eventually. I think maybe sometime next week. Gail over there, contractor, he said that my kitchen is going to pretty much be done before Christmas, right? Do you want to say hi? He said no. Okay, so basically he promised me that my kitchen is going to be done before Christmas. So hence the reason why I even agreed to go ahead and deal with them. So they changed up the plywood, and so I guess when the fabrication is done, they're just going to put it right on top. I do not even have a faucet now, so I can't even wash dishes. Cooktop is in the garage, so that one is gone, and you can see my pot, and backsplash are all completely gone. I don't know if the house came with this or the guys put this yesterday, so that's a little weird to me. And then we have, yeah, that's all interesting. Pretty sure hopefully it's gonna get fixed. So guys, so today is December, what is today's date? 6th, basically the next day. I'm trying to put dates so that I know like how long it takes to do certain stuff. The fabricator is going to come today and measure the countertop, and also today I'm getting my TV finally mounted. But I actually got a 82-inch TV, and it is huge. Oh my god, it looks so good. Why does it look small? But this TV is huge, guys. Do not let the camera deceive you. It is a huge TV. I'm so happy with it. I'm glad I went with this size because we definitely needed something really big for this area. Well, that's done, and we just gotta wait for the next thing. I'm so tired of spending money. So tired and over it. But okay, let me get back on the phone with my assistant, talk about some of these ideas that I had to come up for Sephora. Okay.
So I'm saying you're gonna suggest a brow pencil with this thing. You might want to save that and make it one of your products for the other thing.
Yeah, so it's gonna be the brow, the Benefit Brow Styler. In the shade number 5. Yeah, the dip brow gel in the shade Auburn, sorry.
You said the best brow?
No,
what?
dip brow gel.
Big brow gel. Okay.
Dip.
Like DICK?
No, like DIP. Dip brow gel.
Okay. Sun Dips Glow Dip Brow. Okay, I see it. Dip Brow Gel. So let's see. Auto Replenishing Hydrator. Moisture Surge. Auto Replenishing Hydrator.
No.
More than moisture.
No, Nancy. I found it. It's the Clinique ID, the custom blend.
I sent you your flight information and your hotel stuff for next week, so make sure you check approve them.
Ciao. So this is the marble. This is like the closest thing to what I want, but I want like slabs that have more vein, and this does not really have a lot of vein, you know. It's almost like a plain white one, but I just feel like it's a little too busy for me. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. And then we have this one that has slight, you know, it's not even vein, it's just like a little gray, you know, just going through it. I'm not happy right now. I'm not happy. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I just woke up. My hair looks a mess and I had to get up and get ready to film video. I have like 2 sponsored videos that I have to do for Sephora, and I'm a little behind, so I think I'm gonna have to film those 2 videos today, and I have to edit one today and have it submitted today. Right now it is 9 o'clock and we're gonna see if I can actually freaking do it. On another note, I am so excited. So yesterday I got a text from my contractor, and he told me that the counter people are going to come and put the counters today. I'm not exactly sure if they're doing the backsplash and the island today. Like, he just said counters, so I assume also the island will be done today. But I'm just so excited to actually see, like, you know, the material that I picked actually laid out, and to start using my kitchen, because me and my sister have been like eating out since they have taken our stove and everything down. We haven't been cooking and it's getting pretty expensive. I don't really like it. Honestly, I'm gonna stop caring whether you guys like stuff. Like, it's great to like inspire you and everything like that, but I do guess my taste is not the same for everyone, which is completely okay. But I do feel like some people are kind of rude and telling me what I should do, or what I did to my house is terrible, you know. I decided to change the floors in the first floor, which I'm also going to change on the second floor. I don't think a whole house should have tiles. It just doesn't feel homey to me. I really like wood floors or laminate that basically looks like wood and does feel like wood. So that's what I have in my house, and I absolutely love the color that I got. But I guess for some reason, maybe on camera it comes off yellowish, but a lot of people in the comment section was like, why did you change it? The tiles was better. And then, which was fine, you know, you all have your opinion, but I feel like some other people were just so rude with it that I'm like, dude, this is my house, my choice, and I like it. Don't have to be rude. Like, I just kind of don't understand how somebody can get so rude and angry about somebody's decision. Like, how does this affect you, is what I'm trying to understand. Anyway, that's not gonna stop me. I'm still gonna share. Somebody might be inspired by it. But yeah, I just don't get why people get super rude about stuff like that.
Okay, all right.
Good morning. I feel like every single time I wake up, I'm like, I'm so excited. Last night, the guys finished doing the countertop and the island. Everything looks so good. They haven't put my stove back because the guys that do that are different from the guys that do the countertop. So the stove, I think the contractors say that somebody should be coming today or tomorrow. But the countertop is done, and now basically the only thing left for the kitchen is the cabinets, and they say they're going to be coming tomorrow. Initially for the countertop, I wanted it to be one of those what do you call it, quartz that had the dramatic marble effect on it, but sadly they basically said that getting that's going to cost me another like $10 per square foot, which is too much considering how much of the quartz I needed. I'm just like, okay, let's just go ahead and get the one that is the closest. So basically I settle for the one that does have the marble effect, but it's not like super on your face, which is very classic. Honestly, I really like the way it looks now because it's kind of like white, but when you get close to it, you really see those marble effect on it. It's perfect. It's not too much, because I do feel like if it was too dramatic, then it might clash with the way that I want to decor sometimes. Wanted something that would be seamless, so we have the same thing just running up, and I wanted to see if they had extra to go all the way up there, but they didn't, which is fine because it's white, so it looks okay. Okay guys, so the kitchen is finally done. I am so happy with the way that this kitchen turned out. And honestly, initially I was not going to do the kitchen as soon as I did it, because I wanted to like wait maybe for this year 2020 before I you know, do it. But then after I got my walls painted and I wanted it to be like crispy white, I realized that the kitchen cabinets were looking a little too yellow. I mean, I was going to paint them anyway, and I was thinking maybe black, and my mind just kept changing. Honestly, I was like, I don't know if I want it to be dark. I know I'm going to be filming here, maybe I want it to be, you know, pretty bright. So I just decided to go ahead and do the all white. I know you guys are like tired of seeing all white kitchen, but because of filming, I really thought doing white would be really nice. It's the same cabinets that I have, I just got them painted, and I just decided to go ahead and put like handle drawers on them because they didn't come with one, and I just remember struggling, and I think I broke a couple of nails trying to open the cabinet. So we added some pools, and I got the pools from Wayfair. I wish it was a bit more brassier. It's more so like a yellow gold, but it looks really good and I like it. This is quartz, so it's not marble, it's not real marble, but I wanted the effect of marble, and initially I wanted like quartz that had big veins that you can just see, and they told me, I know in the video you guys, they told me it's gonna cost a little bit more, and I already put down an amount, a budget that I was like, no matter what, I am not gonna go ahead and like go off budget, because with all this remodeling stuff you really have to be strict with yourself. So I was just like, okay, well, we can go with the ones that they basically can provide for my budget, and we went with this one. It still does have like the marble effect on it, but it's just not as, you know, as veiny as the other one, and I really ended up liking it because it just looks so seamless. If you're really close to it, you can see all the little marble effect, but I feel like from far away you can't tell on camera, but in person you can definitely tell. You guys help me decide which chairs I should put for this kitchen. I'm feeling both of these two styles. So this one right now is the leather with the black legs. It's two completely different styles, but I'm feeling both of them, so I think I'm gonna keep the two style, and then I can just switch whenever I want. Yeah guys, so this is my kitchen renovation. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you kind of like the vibe of the kitchen. I personally love it. Maybe sometime in March I can start doing renovation for upstairs, my bedroom and my bathroom, because that's something that I really need to do. I decided to focus down here first because this is the main living for visitors and stuff. So yeah, I cannot wait to tackle everything. Let me know how you're liking my vibe and my choices. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.